Anak, working yung airplane? Naikot? Wow! Oh, ang laki naman ng airplane na yan. Anak, baka mahipit ka dyan, ha?
Daddy, why is there water?
Hmm.
Wow, it's working!
It's working.
Bakit meron ng water? Tingnan
Saan?
mo.
Sa airplane?
Tingnan mo.
Saan?
Water.
Ay, hindi. Nalagyan na ng water. Oo po. Kasi umulan. Diyan ka lang.
You're going!
Yan, si Joby din, oh.